Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing Harimirch Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani. This classical spicy dum style biryani is prepared using fresh herbs and spices. For the details about the ingredients, please check the description section and kindly subscribe to our channel. For making our Hara masala, I'll be grinding mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chillies, and to retain the vibrant color of mint, I'll squeeze in a little amount of fresh lemon juice. Then I'll add the chicken pieces to a large mixing bowl, add ginger and garlic paste, Hara masala, a generous amount of yogurt, and freshly ground coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, salt as per taste, and our homemade fresh garam masala powder. I'll squeeze half the lemon . To maintain moisture, I'll add little amount of cooking oil to the marination and rub all the ingredients in the chicken pieces. Put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours for thorough marination. Then I'll soak in the long grain rice after washing it. And then the process of cooking begins by adding cooking oil to a pot and frying the thinly sliced onions. Once the onions are brown, I will drain it from the oil and keep it aside. Then I'll begin heating up water to which I have already added salt and infuse it with the aromatics of whole dry spices and a little amount of peppercorn for that extra spiciness, and then in goes the soaked and drained long grain rice. Then little amount of mint leaves, coriander leaves and green chillies goes along with the rice, and I'll cook it only to 50%. That is almost half done. Our onion is nicely brown. And it is crisp. Now it is the time to start with our layering of biryani. First I'll add a little amount of oil to a large pot, followed by adding the marinated chicken pieces. Then a good amount of drained half-cooked long rice goes over the chicken. Then I'll add a handful of fried brown onions and continue adding little amount of mint leaves, coriander leaves, and then with the whatever rice is left out, I'll add it to the pot, followed by again a handful of fried onions, a little amount of freshly ground cardamom powder, fresh garam masala powder, a little amount of mint leaves and coriander leaves, fresh green chillies, then a good amount of ghee goes in. Then I'll seal up the pot with a thick aluminium foil. Place the lid and put it on the stove on a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes and then on a low flame for half an hour. After resting the pot for 10 minutes, our biryani is done and it is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos.